Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about password protection to a PDF file. Last week's tips and tricks episode was about adding password protection to a Word document file. This episode is password protection for PDF document file. There are a lot of reasons why we need to password protect our PDF files, such as copyright protection, lock digital signatures, limit access, and maintain content integrity. In this video, I will show you how to set a password protect in your PDF files. Let's start by opening Microsoft Word. Compose a document or open a PDF file using Word. Once done, click File, and then select Save As. Set the location where you want a file to be saved. Enter a file name. Set the Save As type to PDF. Click the Options button. Enable the encrypted document with a password, and then click OK. Enter a password. Password must be between 6 to 32 characters in length. We enter the password, then click OK. Click Save to save the password-protected PDF file. Whenever the PDF file is open, it should prompt for a password to access the document. There you have it, just like last week. Let's keep our sensitive documents safe and secure. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.